This video provides an overview of the Polarion integration using the Syndeia web dashboard for Syndeia Release 3.7. We recommend watching the Part 1 introductory videos for the Syndeia web dashboard first, which illustrate how to log into the web dashboard and its general features. In this video, we will emphasize Polarion-specific issues rather than repeat material covered in the introductory videos. We have previously created a few connections to Polarion elements in the UGV04 Syndeia project. Making that the active project on the Digital Thread Projects page, we go to the Workspace tab, where we identify the Polarion category and expand it to show the specific repositories in this category. If there are no existing repositories, we could add one by selecting Polarion and clicking the plus-shaped Add Repositories icon. The Create Repository window requires the user to enter the URL for the Polarion repository. Next, enter a name to appear in the left column menu, a description, and your bearer token for your Polarion account. Consult with your Polarion admin for the right values. In our case, we already are linked to an existing repository named Polarion UAT at Intercax. If we needed to add or update our access credentials for this, we would select it and click the gear-shaped Update Repositories icon. As our credentials are already in place, Polarion UAT at Intercax appears in the Tree View column and can be expanded to show the contents of your home page. Under the repository is a list of projects. Under each project is a list of work item types. Some of those contain work items, which are typically the artifacts of interest, such as system requirements, tasks, or test cases. If we drill down even further, we can see intra-model relations to other work items. For more information on the Polarion data model and how it relates to the Syndeia graph, review the Polarion section of the API overview, available through the Help menu. We can learn more about the objects in the tree view using the icons on the right. The search function represented by the magnifying glass icon provides a variety of options for searching the repository. For example, we can identify a project and search for right-clicking the results offers multiple options. Details shows us the properties of a selected Polarion element, including its name, type, URL, and others. See video 1.9 about how to configure attributes to appear in this window. We can launch the Relations view by clicking the arrow icon. We can see both intramodel and intermodel relations. The intramodel relations include a has-parent relation between requirements, a verifies relation to a test case, and a relates to relation to a task. There is one intermodel relation to a Teamwork Cloud SysML requirement already. We can add additional reference connections to the selected element by clicking the plus icon and specifying the target and direction. I am adding a link from the Wait system requirement to the UGV70 JIRA issue Wait under the Unmanned Ground Vehicle project. We can also launch the Digital Thread Explorer by right-clicking and selecting Graph View. Both intra and intermodal relations are shown as the digital thread is expanded. As we presented in the introductory videos on Syndeia 3.7, the repositories page is similar to the workspace page, but shows us only the contents of the underlying repository, in this case, Polarion UAT at Intercax, not the intermodal relations for an active digital thread project. This is true for both the Relations view and the Digital Thread Explorer. The Polarion integration is also available through the Syndeia Cameo and Rhapsody plugins. See the tutorials and demonstrations under those headings for more information about use cases supported.